lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just...
Good morning, friends. It is bright and early. I've been wrapping presents. Now I'm going to get some sausage and bacon thawing out for breakfast and for dinner tonight. I just wanted to hop on here, say hello, and now I'm going to go visit with some animals and some kids.
You set my world on fire.
Dad to Tom.
My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world.
Good morning, friends. If you're new here, my name is Candy. I'm a mom to 5. On my channel, I share mostly day in the life videos, but I do some homeschooling, homesteading, gardening, day in the life, what's for dinner. It just depends. Next week, I do plan on filming a freezer cooking video. I really need to do some morning type freezer cooking breakfast because I'm not a morning person. So I will be filming that next week. But anyways, today we are headed to town. I've got to pick up a Walmart order for animal feed, and then I've got to do a few more things in town before Penny's birthday party tomorrow. She is going to be 9 the day after tomorrow, so we're celebrating tomorrow. Anyways, we have not had breakfast. It's 10. We're going to eat something in town at some point. Well, the kids had graham crackers this morning. That's all we had. I was working on laundry and stuff, and everybody kept saying they didn't want breakfast, so they kind of had some graham crackers and watched Arthur. But anyways, we're headed to town. We're going to pick up some stuff. I've got to pull out cash to pay for the horses' hooves being trimmed and for hay to be delivered this week because we have another snowstorm coming next week. But anyways, all that to say, good morning. We're headed out the door. We're going to get to town and get some stuff done. When we came home from town, our box from the Natural History Museum that we had checked out had arrived, and so we decided we were going to go through, check all of it out, and kind of see what all it came with. It came with all kinds of different lessons and everything else that we can do to go with all the fossils and everything. So it's pretty neat, and we are definitely going to have to take a good week and spend some time doing all of this. But the kids wanted to go ahead and check out all the rocks and fossils in it, so that's what we did. We went through, we checked out everything. They touched and felt and, talked and chatted about everything in there.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
High five.
Okay, ready?
High five. Too slow.
Oh! I took out all that sausage and bacon to thaw for both breakfast and dinner. Nobody ended up wanting breakfast, kept saying they weren't hungry, but we're still doing our breakfast for dinner tonight. So I'm working on cooking up some sausage patties, and then I'm also browning some sausage for some biscuits and gravy. I pick up at Sam's Club or Walmart those big bags of pepper gravy mix, and I just put it in a jar and use it as I need. So that's what I use to make up my gravy. I'm still working on some sausage, and I'm frying eggs for everybody as well. I ended up not using one of the packages of sausage or the bacon tonight. I'm going to save those for some other breakfast, but this is dinner tonight. I just wanna love you. Good morning, friends. We are starting our day out with a bunch of waffles, so I'm just getting these going in the waffle maker. My father-in-law gave me this one. I actually only had one that made single waffles because my bigger one broke, so he gave me this. He said he never used it. Go to town on it. So we are making waffles. I also went ahead and threw our sausage in there just so I wouldn't have to dirty up a pan, and cooked it in the waffle maker as well. And then I also cooked eggs for anybody that wanted those. And then CJ and I also had some sauteed onions, bell peppers, tomatoes, and jalapenos on the side as well. Okay, Penny wanted red velvet cake for her dessert tonight for her birthday, so that is what we're making right now. We're going to get it in the oven. Happy Saturday. It is the day before Penny's birthday. We're going to go out tonight and eat sushi and stuff for her birthday. That's what she wants to do. So we're going to do that. I just made her birthday cake. We're going to come home, open presents, and have cake here. But I just wanted to hop on here, say hello, say good morning. I'm going to come out, check on all the animals, kind of walk around for a little bit, enjoy the sunshine now that all the cold is gone. And we're going to be in the 60s and 70s until, I think, Wednesday. So anyways, that's what I'm doing right now. Just like I said, wanted to hop on and say hello. Just wanted to hop on here, say hello. I've come outside. I'm going to walk around for a little bit and get some sunshine. I really need it. I've mentioned before I'm dealing with COVID long haul syndrome, and so I'm just having a really hard time, not to mention it really drained my immune system. I catch like every little bug everybody has.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand?
Penny wanted to decorate her cake, so I let her go to town on it. She did chocolate frosting, strawberry frosting, and sprinkles. That's what made her happy, so that's what we did. And then James gave her an early birthday present he picked out while he was in town, and that is this cowboy hat. Now we're going to dinner. Happy birthday, dear Penny. Happy birthday to you.
Wow. Yeah. Is that BB gun? Yep. Wow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Penny. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you guys for spending the last 2 days with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.